Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to tutorial. And for today's video, we're going to show you how you can use Instagram frames. So as we all know, Instagram frames is a new feature on an updated Instagram app. So once your app is updated, let's open our Instagram application. So here, as you can see, you can basically tap on the plus icon at the bottom or swipe it to the left and basically you will have your story. So here, as you can see, for example, to swipe up, we're going to select the image. So for example, here, I'm going to select this one here. Next, what we're going to do is just need to tap on this sticker icon right there at the top. And once you tap on this sticker icon, you will find all the new features right here. And you just need to tap on frames. And from here, you can basically select the same image or you can choose different image. So in this sample, I'm going to choose this one. Now you can write on your caption. So just type right here, add a caption. And then once done, tap on the done right there at the top right. And from here, you can move it around and basically you can resize the frame that you have just added. Now your followers won't be able to see the photo in the frame unless they click on it or shake their phone. So that's how you basically use this Instagram frames. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.